The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 6 miles southeast El Reno. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Yukon, Richland, Wiley Post report. Bethany and the village take immediate tornado precautions now. In addition to a tornado, dangerous and extremely large destructive hail up to softball sizes expected with the storm. Locations impacted include Elino, Yukon, Bentley, Mustang, Warris, and Richland. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. Do not stop under bridges or highway overpasses. They will not protect you from a tornado.